In the last 8 years, Telegram has shown tremendous growth. It can be rightfully called the most functional app for communication in the world. Still don't believe it? Then watch this video till the end, because I'm gonna give you 16 reasons why Telegram is the best. In the meantime, if you're not with me yet, it's time to join our club of the best telebloggers. Here you'll find all the secrets of Telegram and other messengers, as well as keep up with the latest online events. Subscribe right now, and let's get started. If your friends and family are still using WhatsApp or any other messenger, be sure to send this video after you've watched it. They'll be surprised how much more functional and better Telegram is compared to the messenger that they are using. And the first reason is, of course, accessibility. Or we can call it cross-platform. Telegram is available on any platform known today: Android, iOS, PC, Linux, macOS, you name it. Besides, the messenger has a web version too, which has recently been updated. And it's so smooth and functional that you can't even tell whether Telegram is open in an app or in your browser. Unlike other messengers, Telegram allows you to use an unlimited number of devices at the same time, and the instant synchronization between the devices is amazing. You can send a file on your phone and you'll get it on your computer in an instant. The speed of uploading files is super decent. You can log into a device by scanning a QR code or sending a confirmation code to one of the active devices. Everything is as simple as clear as possible. Next advantage of Telegram is safety. Messenger is much safer than other similar messaging apps like WhatsApp or Line. Telegram is based on the MT-Proto protocol based on time-tested algorithms and provides high speed and reliability. Telegram offers secret chats, which use device-to-device encryption, leaving no trace on the messenger's servers. Data in secret chats can self-destruct after some time. All you have to do is just turn on the self-destruct timer, and it cannot be forwarded either. In any chats, a Telegram user can erase messages both for themselves or for both parties. Moreover, Telegram has two-factor authentication, which allows you to protect your account even more. If you're afraid of hackers, simply enter an extra secure code and your account will be even more protected. The next reason why Telegram is the top messaging app in the world is its convenience. Smooth animations, intuitive swipes, prompts when you first install the messenger. All this makes it quick to get used to it. And next, I'm gonna give you more reasons why Telegram is the best messenger in the world. And at the end, I will talk about two, probably the most important ones, that make Durov's development the most functional among other apps. Do you want to support my efforts? I would be grateful if you could like this video. It'll encourage me to create even more useful content for you. Thank you for your support, and we're moving on. Files. Only Telegram out of today's messengers allows you to share files up to 2 GB. Photos, videos, audio files, you don't have to worry about the size. Telegram can handle almost any file. For example, WhatsApp has an average file size of up to 100 MB to send. FYI, that's 20 times smaller. Next feature that follows the previous one is cloud. Everything you send via Telegram is securely stored in the cloud. This means that you can upload files to the messenger, safely remove them from your device, and if necessary, download them back again. Thus, thanks to Telegram, you can free up some space on your smartphone, and you don't have to be afraid that your files will disappear or you will lose them. Do you take this opportunity? I personally always upload a lot of files to the Telegram cloud. Channels are the next strongest advantage of Telegram. These are the resources with all sorts of information on various subjects. Each person will find something special for themselves. News, politics, cooking, music, movies, memes. These are just some of the things you can find in Telegram channels. Moreover, channels in the Messenger cite other media, and these resources often leak exclusive and insider information. As a result, Telegram has long been the place where users receive very high-quality content. Along with channels, another huge advantage of Telegram are bots. In case you don't know, these are robots that help solve various everyday issues, entertain, find music or movies, and much more. You can order food, play Mafia with friends, translate a voice message into the text. Believe me, this is just the part of what these magic robots can do. Well, and if you don't like channels or bots, and you are into more human, live communication, there's another reason why Telegram is awesome, and that's groups. These are the chat rooms where people talk to each other. Groups can be tied to a particular channel, and in them you can find like-minded people, discuss the latest news, and at the same time groups can exist without channels, where users get together and chat. People who are new to Telegram are probably thinking, chats with people, bots, channels, groups, how does it all fit in one place? How not to get confused in such a flow of information? For this purpose, the developers of the messenger have invented folders. Thanks to them, you can sort everything you want. The feature is available in the settings, and here you can create up to 10 different folders: work chats, personal chats, a separate tab with channels, groups or bots. Besides, in each folder, you can pin some important chats, that is, place them on top of the others. Like this video if you think folders are a really cool feature of Telegram and you're using it. Next, I would like to highlight the archive of Telegram. It's a place where you can put chats that are probably no longer relevant to you, but for some reason you can't delete them forever. Just swipe left and select Archive. This tab is located by default on top of all of the chats, but if you want you can hide it. Just swipe left and choose Hide. The archive will be hidden, and if you want to see chats from there, swipe down and the archive will be displayed again at the top. The next reason why Telegram is the top one is special messages. The messenger always cares about its users and gives them the opportunity to communicate in a super convenient way. For instance, you can send silent messages in Telegram. They'll be useful if you, for example, don't want to wake the other person up. To do this, write a message, long press Send, and select Silent Message. The user on the other side will get a message without any notification. If you long press Send, you may also notice the Schedule Message option. It allows you to send a message in the future by scheduling a specific date and time. And if you send this message to your favorites folder, which by the way we're gonna talk about in a moment, it will work as a reminder. Favorites is a magical folder that allows you to dump all the information you need or don't need. You can find the Favorites folder in the settings, and by clicking on it, as in any chat, you can view the available files by category: media, music, voice, links, and others. By the way, when you create a private channel, it can become your Favorites folder as well. Let's say you want to have a separate channel with family photos. Name it Family Photos, and feel free to upload all the photos of your relatives. In this way, you can create an unlimited number of storages like that on various topics in Telegram. A few more incredible features are coming very soon. They make Telegram the best messenger among others. We'll talk about them next. In the meantime, I suggest you write your top 3 favorite Telegram features in the comments. I will feature some of the most interesting options in one of my next videos. So think about the best messenger features for you. What can't any cool app do without? That's right, without a brand identity. Telegram is probably the only messenger that allows you to customize its design in a very cool way. You can choose and set the chat background, you can make it animated, the messenger offers a choice of different color options for your design, and you can also share your unique designs with your friends. Moreover, Telegram has its own large emojis that make communication even more fun. And in case they annoy you, you can just turn them off. And I'm not even talking about the countless stickers and GIFs. All these make Telegram unique and one of a kind. Do you want to edit a photo or video? Not to worry, the messenger has this feature too. By tapping on media, Telegram lets you write something on the picture, auto-enhance it, adjust brightness or contrast, add shadows, blurs, and more. And it's all in one place. You don't even need to use other apps. And of course, you can't do without video and audio calls. Besides the possibility to make one-to-one video and audio calls, Telegram allows you to make group calls of different types. In channels, for example, you can be a listener. You can raise your hand and get a word, ask something, or express your opinion. And if you're a channel admin, you can act as a speaker. That is, tell something and give the floor to those who want to talk about something. In groups, each participant can enter and talk to other people in a group audio chat, as well as join a video chat. Among other things, in such group calls, users can broadcast their screen, as well as watch other people's presentations or streams. Telegram is a full-fledged platform for studies, conferences, games, or just for fun communication. And the last but not least, and probably one of the most important reasons why Telegram is the best app, is updates. Almost every month, the Messenger developers introduce new updates, adding new features each time. No other messenger does that. It's all about the Messenger team wanting to make a better place for communication, and I'm convinced they are doing a great job of it. Send this video to anyone who still doubts the capabilities of Telegram, and give this video a thumbs up so that as many people as possible see it. And of course, don't forget to write your top 3 Telegram life hacks in the comments. And that's it for today. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and be trendy.